Ball possession, jersey number 4, jersey number 7. First ball possession, Barangay Tulipuban, jersey number 3. There's a foul, early foul, Tulipuban, jersey number 27. Bernabet. That is first foul, first team foul. Jersey number 9, Cruz.
Pili ba dyan sa gilid na tayo?
Jersey number 16, Ortiz, jersey number 3. Looking for his teammate, inside pass to Marcado, jersey number 7. Stepping the break, jersey number 19 for 3. No good. You got jersey number 4, Narvasa. Against Sigua, jersey number 4. Against the two defenders. Pass to Rituas, corner pass to Fajardo for 3. No good. Fighting for the rebound, long run, jersey number 16, bounce pass to Cruz. Nice save, inside pass, jersey number 7, pull up jumper, no good. There's number 4 sitting on the play. Pass to Fajardo, back to Narvasa. 12 on the shot clock. The Rituas. There's number 4. Back pass to Narvasa. 10 on the shot clock. Free throw, jumper, no good. It was jersey number 16. Pass to Ortiz. Jersey number 3. Up another, no good. Jersey number 24. Stepping on the gas. Down to 18. From shot is good for 2. Para jersey number 24. First 2 points para sa Barangay Tabi. Jersey number 9, Cruz corner pass. Sigua for 3. No good. There was jersey number Adriano. Outlet pass to Rituas. Jersey number 24. Waiting for his teammate. Looking for Fajardo. Jersey number 12. Pass to Narvasa. 12 on the shot clock. Staying on the play. Back to Fajardo. Jersey number 12. Slice the middle. Takes it far. It's good for 2. Score 4-0. There's a number 9 corner pass to Mercado. 12 on the shot clock. He's it by jersey number 3. Pull up jumper. Wala pa rin para sa Barangay Tulipuban. Limon jersey number 4. Fajardo. Jersey number 24. Turned up shot. Good. Out of bounds. Swing ball. Second shot clock, now play to Adriano is good. A 6-0 run para sa Barangay Tabi. There's a number 16 pass to Valenzuela. There's a number 19 corner pass to Sigua. 12 on the shot clock. Cross pass. There's a number 19. 10 on the shot. There's a number 7 hanging on the air. Wala pa rin. There's a number 4. Narvasa pass to Bernabet. There's a number 27. Stepping on the break, he can pass to Narvasa. High big jersey number 27, jersey number 4, corner pass to Fajardo for 3. Air ball, jersey number 3 for the time out, Barangay Tulipuban. It's 15 seconds to play. Para sa ating opening.
Score natin 8-0 in favor of Barangay Tabi. Barangay Tabi is really determined to get this game to.
Back to the ball game. Time remaining 7 minutes and 15 seconds to play. Score 8-0. 8-0 run para sa Barangay Tabi. Jersey number 16, Sigua. Set in the play, pass to Valenzuela, jersey number 19. Bounce pass, jersey number 16. Baseline drive, big pass. Jersey number 9 for 3.
8-3 ang score natin.
Number 4, Fajardo. Against Cruz, pass to Narvasa, 15 on the shot clock, 6 minutes and 50 seconds to play down the lane. Pass to Adriano, 12 on the shot clock, corner pass to Narvasa, 10 second shot clock, tear them shot, no good.
Ano po kasi,
Secure the
hindi po
rebound,
ako
back
buong
to
game,
Mercado,
hindi
pass
ko
to Narvasa,
nag-release.
almost losing that ball.
Kung release ka, patayo.
19 on the
Patayo.
down the lane, it's not no good.
Pag mga highlights lang, patayo lang. Apo buong game eh.
There's the number 4, Bajardo. And para kay Narvasa, home on the shot up to Rituas. There's the number 24. 8-second shot. There's the number 24, putting in their jumper in and out. Jersey number 3, pass to running Cruz, race Raptanen. Score 8-5. Down to 3 Alaman. Barangay Tabe, jersey number 12, Bajardo. Against Ortiz, pass to Narvasa, 14 on the shot clock. Here's the shot, masyado malakas. Jersey number 3, pass to Venezuela, jersey number 19 to jersey number 3. No good, but there's a whistle. Foul to be jersey number 27. That is second foul, second team foul. Subdivision. Jersey number 27 now. Replaced with jersey number 8, Mr. Piano. 2 free throws by jersey number 3, Mr. Ortiz. Second shot in and out. 5 minutes and 48 seconds to play. There's number 24, Tuas against Sigua. Pass to Adriano, 15 on the shot clock. There's number 3. Attacking the defense, makes it up good.
Foul.
But there's a whistle. Foul with jersey number 7. That is first foul, first team foul.
Score 9-6 in favor of Tabe.
There's the number 16, Sigua, pass to Cruz. 15 on the shot, pass to Valenzuela. Corner pass to Cruz, first and drive. Pass to Ortiz, 8 on the shot, Valenzuela for the 3. Bam!
Deadlock at 9 tayo. 9 all 9.
Score all 9, jersey number 12. For Shanahan. But there's a foul with jersey number 3. That is first foul, second team foul. Subdivision.
11-9 ang score natin. 2-point lead by Tabe.
Exactly 5 minutes to play. Score 11-9. There's the number 19, Valenzuela. Pass to De La Rosa. Looking for Mercado. Corner pass to Sigua for 3. No good. There's the number 17 for the putback. It's good.
All 11.
4 minutes and 40 seconds to play. Here's the number 12, Alonso Ortiz. Looking for that pin. Across number more. Pull up jumper air ball. Arbans, babalik ang bola sa barangay Tuktukan. There's the number 16. Sigua pass to De La Rosa to Venezuela. 15 on the shot to Mercado. Ayusin Tuas to Sigua. 12 on the shot clock. Corner pass to Ortiz. And second shot for 3. Masyado malakas. There's the number 17. But a putback. It's good again. Mr. De La Rosa.
Sorry, next year.
There's the number 24. Rituas pass to Fajardo. 15 on the shot clock. Looking for that big Narvasa. 10-second shot clock. There's the number 4. Attack the driven down the lane. 4 shot, no good. Ari for the rebound. Low rebound para jersey number 19 on the run. Attack the driven, lays it up, no good. Jersey number 3, Rudica. Mr. Rituas, jersey number 3. Corner pass, jersey number 17. Okay, but there's a whistle. Jersey number 24, that is first foul, 13 foul. Time Rosa.
13-11, 2-point lead by Tuktukan.
One out of two para jersey number 17, score 14-11, 3 minutes and 38 seconds to play.
Same ball. Oh my god.
Jersey number 6, Sigua. Pass to Venezuela to De La Rosa, 15 on the shot off the Mercado, corner pass to Sigua to Venezuela for three, no good. They go jersey number 17, using his body. The Sigua perimeter jumper, it's good for two. Score 16-11. There's a number 12, Bacardo against Ortiz, 11 on the break. Four shot, no good. 2 minutes and 57 seconds to play. There's a number 19, Valenzuela. Pass to De La Rosa. Intercept. Pass to Ryan McCross. There's number 24. And there's number 11, wide open for three. Bang! There's number 11, three. Score 16-14. 2 minutes and 28 seconds to play. There's a number 17, De La Rosa, bounce pass to Venezuela, 14 on the shot clock, pass to Mercado. 10 second shot clock, pass to Sigua, cross pass to De La Cruz. There's a number 19 for three, not good. 2 minutes and 12 seconds to play. There's a number 11, stop and pop for three. No good, fighting for the rebound. There's a number 16, Sigua. 2 minutes. There's the number 16. Slides the middle, puts it up, no good. Rebound to Mr. Guillano. Pass jersey number 5. There's a foul. With jersey number 17. And his first foul. 13 foul. Time out. Barangay Tabi. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 1 minute and 52 seconds to play. Score 16-14. Jersey number 11, Aguinaldo against Cruz. Jersey number 5 for the victory. No good. And jersey number 8 for the good pass. Still no good. Out of bounds, same ball. 14 second shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. There's a number 24, pass there's a number 8, Guillano, pass to Aguinaldo, 10 on the shot clock. 8 second shot clock, there's a number 11, intercept, there's a number 3, pass to Cruz, there's a number 9, Lumena for 3. Masyadong malakas. 1 minute and 28 seconds to play. There's a number 12, Fajardo. Pass to Aguinaldo, 15 on the shot clock, to Mitwas, there's number 24, against Luena. Nice play, for three. No good. The long rebound by jersey number 3, Ortiz is down the lane. The intercept from behind. Oh, jersey number 24, Mitwas, lays it up, no good. 59 seconds to play. Jersey number 9, Scopulega, lays it up, it's good. There's a number 24, it was against Venezuela. Pass to Fajardo for the victory. No good. Body for the rebound. Nakuha ng Mercado. Pass to Lugana. 40 seconds to play. There's a number 3, Hesley. Oh, lays it up and in. Make a sum of a foul. Foul committed. There's a number 12, subdivision. That is first foul. Warning for penalty.
Score 20-14.
Bonus free throw by jersey number 3, Mr. Ortiz.
6-point lead by Tuktukan.
It's complete triple play. Substitution.
7-point lead, 21-14.
There's a number 4, handoff para Aguinaldo. 15 on the shot clock, 28 seconds to play. Almost intercept. There's a number 11, it's nice in the middle. Lays it up, it's good. 20 seconds to play. Shot clock is up. There's a number 8, Luena. 10 seconds to play. Using that beat, the American jersey number 8. 7 on the ready. 5 seconds to play. Remember jersey number 7. Okay, but there's a whistle. Foul with jersey number 8. That is first foul penalty. Time remaining 3.2 seconds to play. Second shot is still on 3 seconds to play. Fajardo with the cross. Official score 21-19.
Grabe, nice one.
Jersey number 11, Aguinaldo against Trinidad. Jersey number 11, cross pass, jersey number 4 for Trey. Let's go for Trey. Jersey number 4, Mr. Narpasa. Change favor, 22-21.
Lamang na ang tabi.
Para sa Barangay Tabi.
1-point lead by Tabi. 22-21.
Pass to Trinidad. Back to Luena, 12 on the shot off to Cruz, jersey number 9. Against Aguinaldo, 8 on the shot off to Trinidad, just a drive. Pass jersey number 3, Ortiz following jumper, no good. Long rebound para jersey number 4, Mr. Fajardo down the lane, lays it up, no good. But there's a whistle, foul from the jersey number 9, Cruz. That is first foul, first team foul. 2 free throws para jersey number 12, Mr. Fajardo. Second shot is in, no good. It was jersey number 3, Ortiz. Pass to Luena, jersey number 8. Pass jersey number 6, Trinidad. Out of bounds, single, subdivision. Subdivision. Jersey number 6, pass to Maricana, jersey number 7, puts it up, and it's so good. And it's all big, it's good for 2.
Change favor naman ng isa ang tuktuan. 23-22.
Aguinaldo behind the back ball against Trinidad. Pass to Narpasa, Machine on the shoulder, pass to Aguinaldo. Pinchita para Mr. Cruz, jersey number 11. Intercept, jersey number 9. Pass to Trinidad, jersey number 6, lays it up, it's good.
25-22. 3-point lead by Tuktukan.
Jersey number 5, Aquino against Cruz. Jersey number 5, almost losing the ball. Jersey number 11, Aguinaldo, that pass, Adriano, lays it up, no good. It was jersey number 11 for the putback, it's good. Score 25-24. A 1-point lead pass for the game of Tuban. Jersey number 18 on the play. Pass to Cruz. 15 on the shoulder, corner pass to Luena for 3. Masyado malahas. Out of bounds, single.
Nice one, Tabe. Nice one, Tabe.
10
Dumiligid.
seconds shot clock, 10 seconds to shoot. Pick up pass, jersey number 8. 8 seconds shot clock, jersey number 9 for the win three. In and out. Ay, rebound para Mr. Fajardo, paso Aquino. Exactly 8 minutes to play, jersey number 11. Pass to Narbasa, 15 seconds to play. 10 seconds shot clock, jersey number 4. That was the key, no good. Even jersey number 10, Mr. Sampana.
Ay, salamat. Okay na.
Pass to the jersey number 6, 15 on the shot, jersey number 9, Cruz. 12 seconds shot, mid pass, Mercado has been moved up, pass, jersey number 10, for the deuce is good.
27-24, 3-point lead by Tugtukan.
Jersey number 3, pass to the pass, jersey number 4, stabbing on the glass to Fajardo, jersey number 12, it's a traveling violation. Substitution. Jersey number 9, Cruz pass to Luena. 15 on the shot, mid pass, and the Joshua putting the jumper, it's good. A fresh from the bench by the jersey number 20. Jersey number 11, Aguinaldo against Cruz. High pick, a bibigay ni Adriano, 14 on the shot clock, speed move. Jersey number 11, kick out pass to Fajardo. Jersey number 12, free throw line, jumper in and out, by the rebound. Who gets the ball? Ben Abenali look good, but there's a whistle. Foul to the jersey number 20. That is first foul, second team foul. 2 free throws para jersey number 27, Mr. Bernabe. It's good, 2 for 2. Subdivision. Jersey number 9 now, replaced with jersey number 0, Mr. Ugria.
29-26 in favor of Tugtukan.
Score 29-26. Jersey number 0, Ugria, pass to Luena. Corner pass, jersey number 0, bounce pass to the Joshua, with their jumper, no good. Even jersey number 3, nice box out para Mr. Adriano. Pass to Aguinaldo, jersey number 11. Hand of Dida para jersey number 12. Fajardo, spin move, puts it up, no good.
There's a whistle.
There's a foul going to be jersey number 20. That is second foul, third team foul. 2 free throws para jersey number 12, Mr. Fajardo. Let's get 2 for 2.
29-28, 1-point lead ang in favor of Tugtukan.
Now the pass, jersey number 11, Aguinaldo. Ready for his teammate. Against the 2 defenders, Barco Adriano, jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, penetrate, puts it up, no good. Even jersey number 27, still no good. Get his
Foul!
There's a whistle. Foul coming with jersey number 20. That is third foul, warning for penalty. 14-second shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. 5 minutes and 50 seconds to play. Para sa ating first half, second quarter. Score 29-28. There's a number 4 in the baseline inbound. Looking for the open man. Almost intercepted. There's a number 27, Bernabe. 8 on the shot clock. There's a number 27, corner pass. And a pass up for 3. No good. There's a number 27 for the putback. No good. But there's a foul. Looking with jersey number 10. That is first foul penalty. Two free throws, one on jersey number 27, Mr. Bernabe. Second shot is still no good. It was jersey number 6. Trinidad, pass to Uga. Jersey number 0, baseline drive up and under is good.
Scored. Grabe. Score natin.
5 minutes and 20
31-28.
Jersey number 12. Pass on Aguinaldo, jersey number 11. Mid pass to Adriano. 10 on the shot clock. Hand up. Jersey number 4. Narpasa. Again. Luena, 5 on the shot, jersey number 11 for the victory, air ball. 5 for the rebound on jersey number 10, Sampana, pass to Trinidad, jersey number 6. 7 on the gas, down the lane, lace it up, no good. Now rebound on jersey number 10, pass to Ortiz, step up jumper for 3. Score 34-28, 6-point lead. Pass over the crossover move, spin ball, down the lane, lace it up. Out of bounds, babalik ang bola sa Barangay Tugtugan. There's number 0, pass to Trinidad, bounce pass, Ugria, corner 3. No good, body for the rebound. Ibon jersey number 12, Vicente Bajardo. Pass to Narpasa, jersey number 4, corner pass, Aguinaldo. Baseline drive, jersey number 11, pass to Bernabe, jersey number 27, pull away, shot, fork shot, no good. Out of bounds, same ball. Substitution. Substitution. 14 seconds shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. 4 minutes and 15 seconds to play. There's number 4, Narpasa to Aguinaldo, clean up shot, no good. Body for the rebound, long rebound by jersey number 3, Mr. Ortiz. Jersey number 3, lace it up and in. Score 36-28, 8-point lead. There's number 4, Narpasa. Stepping on the break, pass to Bernabe. 12 on the shot, there's number 27, crossover move, lace it up, no good. Body for the rebound, on jersey number 8, Mr. Luena. Pass over, jersey number 0. Hey, boys, teammate, pin on the shot clock. Team of the play, pass to Luena. 10 seconds shot clock. Corner pass to Mercado, pass to Ugria. 5 on the shot clock, corner pass to Luena, it's a pass. A miscommunication, turnover. Out of bounds, babalik ang bola sa Barangay Tugtugan. Turnover naman para sa Barangay. Para sa ating first half, second quarter, jersey number 0, Ugria. Pass to Trinidad, against Narpasa, huli ka, Mr. Fajardo. Gerson Miz, has the move, jersey number 8. 10 on the shot clock, facing far, no good. It was jersey number 12, pass jersey number 11, down the lane, lace it up, this guy. Score 36-30, 2 minutes and 14. Jersey number 3 for Trey.
39-30. 9-point lead. Play Tugtugan.
Jersey number 4, Narpasa. Pass to Aguinaldo, jersey number 11, 12 on the shot against Ugria. Jersey number 11, speed move. 6 on the shot for the victory, air ball. One jersey number 3, Ortiz. Slides the middle down the lane, lace it up, no good. Give up Mr. Giano. There's a whistle, foul coming with jersey number 8. That is first foul, penalty. Time remaining 2 minutes and 13 seconds to play. 2 minutes and 5 seconds to play. Substitution. Timeout. Barangay Tabi. Both teams wala ng timeout sa ating first half.
31-39, 8-point lead by Tuktukan.
24 plus. Against Luena. 2 minutes. There's number 24. This is the Bees, the Bernabe. 15 on the shot clock. Looking for the open man. Pass to Guiano. 10 on the shot clock. There's number 24. Spin move. 6 on the shot. There's number 11 for 3. Go there. There's number 27. Still go there. Get it so good. Intercept. There's number 6. Mr. Rendon. There's number 6. Este move. There's number 7. Baseline jumper is good.
41-31, 10-point lead by Tuktukan.
28 seconds to play. There's a foul committed. There's a number 0. That is first foul. Penalty. Two free throws para jersey number 11. Mr. Aguinaldo. Second shot, still over with jersey number 12. Marco, look it again. Secure the rebound para jersey number 7. 1 minute and 16 seconds to play. Jersey number 6, Andrew Dilla, Mr. Ortiz for the win. 3-point lead, no good. Score 41-31. A 10-point lead para sa Barangay Tuktukan. Jersey number 27, Bernabe. Pass to Mituas. Exactly 1 minute to play. 4 on the shot clock. 10 second shot for the victory. No good. Out of bounds. Babalik ang bola sa Barangay Tuktukan. Time remaining 52.6 seconds to play. Score 41-31. Here's the number 0. Ogia. Pass to the guard. Big pass. Ortiz, cross pass to Luena, 14 on the shot clock, pass to the guy, jersey number 6. There's number 6 for 3, no good. 35 seconds to play, jersey number 24, pass to Bernabe, jersey number 27, all alone, it's good for 2. Seconds to play. 3 seconds differential between the King Black and the Challenge number 8 for the victory. No good. 20 seconds to play. Shot clock is up. Jersey number 11 is there again. Down the lane, makes it up. No good. But there's a whistle. Foul complete with jersey number 0. That is second foul penalty. 2 free throws by jersey number 11, Mr. Aguinaldo. It is good, 2 for 2. 13.6 seconds to play.
41-35. 6 points.
Against Mituas, 10 seconds to play. Pass to Luena. 6 seconds to play. Cross pass to the jersey number 6. Penetrate, lays it up, it's good. 2 seconds to play. Pass to Kalam. 1 seconds to play. And that's it. Our first half is score 43-35. 8-point lead para sa Barangay Tuktukan. Back to the ball game. We start our second half, third quarter. Ball possession ng Barangay Tuktukan.
Go, Jen! Tuktukan! Tuktukan!
There's number 17, De La Rosa. Pass to Luena, jersey number 8. Sitting on the play, looking for the open man. Pass to Palomares, cross pass to De La Rosa, jersey number 17. Turned up shot, no good. A high rebound para Mr. Fajardo, jersey number 12. Pass to Aguinaldo. Jersey number 11, stopping ball for 3. In and out. Nice bounce out para jersey number 20. Pass to Luena. Pass jersey number 10, Zampana. He goes pass to Luena, jersey number 8. Back pass to De La Rosa for 3. Bam! Score 46-35. 11-point lead. There's a number 12, a hesitate move, then they makes it up, is good. There's a number 11, Palomares. Pass to Leon, shot 12 on the shot. There's a number 11, perimeter jumper. No good, fighting for the rebound. Oh, there's a number 20. Cleared up shot. Still no good. Even there's a number 12, Fajardo. Pass to Vituas, 15 on the shot clock. There's a number 24 for 3. No good. Even there's a number 11, Mr. Palomares. Pass to Luena, jersey number 8 against Vituas. Back to Palomares, jersey number 11, cross pass. Jersey number 17, intercept from behind. Pass to Rana, request jersey number 24. For the Deuce is good. Score 46-39. Down to 7 ang kalamangan ng Barangay Tugtugan. Exactly 8 minutes to play. There's a number 8, Luena. Pass to De La Rosa, 14 on the shot. Using that big cleared up shot. Masyado malakas. There's a number 5. Pass to running 5. There's a number 12. Hits it up. It's Sheep like foul, jersey number 17, Mr. De La Rosa. Jersey number 17, 3 minutes to go. 2 free throws plus ball possession para sa Barangay Tabi. Last ball possession. Score 46-41. Jersey number
5-point lead.
Rinaldo against Valenzuela. I think I'll be the guy, Mr. Adriano, 8 on the shot. Jersey number 11. Pass to the 12. Jersey number 24. Baseline jumper is good. Score 46-43. Down to 3 of Alabama. Nabalagay to 7 minutes and 29 seconds to play. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 11 for the victory. Bam! Jersey number 24. Makes it up there, but there's a whistle. Foul from the jersey number 11. Palomares. That is first foul, second team foul para sa Barangay Tugtugan. 2 free throws para jersey number 24. Mr. Tuas. One of 2 para jersey number 24. Mr. Tuas. Score 49-44. 5-point lead. And good possession lead para sa Barangay Tugtugan. Jersey number 19. Mid pass to Leon Luena. Jersey number 8. 15 on the shot. Jersey number 20. Kitlo line jumper. No good. High rebound para jersey number 12. Mr. Fajardo. 6 minutes and 56 seconds to play. Under 7 minutes to play. Jersey number 11. Slides the middle of jersey number 5. Baseline jumper. Hits number 2. Score 49-44. Jersey number 19. Pass to Palomares. Against Aguinaldo, big pass, jersey number 18. It's a traveling violation turnover.
49-46, it's a one ball possession lead by Tuktukan.
Jersey number 24, it was looking for the open man. Hand of Dito. Jersey number 11, 15 on the shot. Aguinaldo against Venezuela. It was jersey number 24. Champion on the break. Put up jumper, no good. It was jersey number 11, Palomares. Pass to Luena to Venezuela. Lays it up. Huli Jersey number 11, hand of Dito by jersey number 5, jersey number 11, Hamilton Reed, it's number 3, jersey number 11. Timeout, Barangay Tuktukan. Kanista,
Deadlock tayo! Deadlock 49, ganda ng laban.
Jersey number 11.
Deadlock at 49.
He is dribbling, top of the key from Game Gagad. It was jersey number 3, Ortiz. Out of bounds, save ball. 12-second shot clock, 12 seconds to shoot.
Deadlock at 49.
11, bounce pass to Luena, 10 on the shot, jersey number 8. Back pass to Ortiz. As they move, 5 on the shot clock, links it up, Chris Gagad. Body for the rebound. Now jersey number 7, pass to Ortiz. Wala pa rin. Jersey number 24, it wide, empty shot. Wala rebound para jersey number 6, Trinidad. Slice the middle, lays it up, is good.
51-49 in favor of
15
Tuktukan.
seconds to play.
2-point lead by
Jersey number
Tuktukan.
24, it was against the winner. 7 on the break, 15 on the shot clock. Pass to Aguinaldo, 12 on the shot clock, top of the key. Air ball. Four minutes and 58 seconds to play, under 5 minutes to play. By the time in third quarter, score 51-49. There's a number 6, Trinidad. Penetrate, no good, but there's a whistle. Foul going to be jersey number 4, Narbasa. That is first foul, first team foul. Number Trinidad. It's good, 2 for 2.
53-49, akyat sa apat ang inaabol ng Barangay Tabi.
Score 53-49, a 4-point lead. There's number 12, Fajardo. Pass to Tuas, 12 on the shot clock. It was just 3 for 3. Nugget, fighting for a rebound. It was ball foul with jersey number 3, instead of Adriano. That is first foul, second team foul.
Check mo lang kuya ako nagcha-charge. Ito, magaling yan, number 8. Yan, number 6. Yan, magaling yan.
Penetrates, nice step, lays up, no good. Secured the rebound para Mr. Fajardo, jersey number 12, 4 minutes and 12 seconds to play. Pass to Narbasa, 15 on the shot, using the big Mr. Adriano, jersey number 4. It's a pass to Adriano, it's good.
53-51.
58 seconds to play. It's
Now to 2 points.
51.
2 points ang inaabol ng Tabi.
Jersey number 11, pass to Ortiz. As it is home, free throw line, jumper, no good. Out of bounds, save ball. 14-second shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. Baseline iba para Mr. Trinidad. Intercept, Mr. Aquino. Pass to Narbasa, to Aquino, to the clutch, jersey number 24. Where's the other guy? Trinidad, you want to jersey number 5. Score all 53, 3 minutes and 28 seconds.
Deadlock! Deadlock tayo, 53.
Order pass to Ortiz for 3. Bam!
manguli ng tatlo ang tuktukan.
Jersey number 12, Bajado slice na middle. Jersey number 3.
56-53.
16 seconds shot, 8 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes and 11 seconds to play. There's number 4, the baseline rebound. Pico pass. Out of bounds, Barangay Tugtugan ball. There's number 8, Luena. Pass to Trinidad. Back to Luena, mid pass, Ortiz, jersey number 3. Deflected from behind, Fajardo, Torrentua, lays it up this time.
56-55.
Score 56-55. 1 point lead para sa Barangay Tugtugan, jersey number 6, Trinidad. Jersey number 6, a crossover movement, and they lays it up, in and out. Fighting for the rebound, naman jersey number 5. Outlet pass, intercept, Ortiz, passing the jersey number 6, down the lane, lays it up good. And there's a whistle foul with jersey number 3, but the second foul, 13th foul.
Si Utoy pala yan, kaya niya yan. Si Utoy pala eh. Wala lang yan. Yun, magandang laban ngayon, dikit na dikit.
Two free throws para jersey number 6, Mr. Trinidad. Substitution. Score 57-55, time remaining 2 minutes and 20. There's a number 24, it was Sigua. Ibigay Mr. Adriana Fortin on the shot, hand off to the jersey number 4, corner pass. Eagle pass to the Tuas, 8 on the shot, jersey number 4, turned up shot, no good. Jersey number 3, Ortiz. Eagle pass to Ugria, 14 on the shot clock. Pass to Sigua, 10 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 0 for the win 3. No good, it was jersey number 3 Ortiz. 1 minute and 48 seconds play. Out of bounds. Abalik ang bola sa Barangay Tabe. Time remaining 1 minute and 47 seconds to play. Jersey number 24, it was Aaron Silva, 15 on the shot clock. Illegal kick. With the jersey number 3, Adriana, that is third down. Warning for penalty. Inbound violation para sa Barangay Tugtugan, turnover. Jersey number 4, 22, tournament 3, and ball. One minute and 18 seconds to play. Pass on the third quarter, jersey number 16, pass to Ungria, bounce pass to Ortiz, jersey number 3. Free throw line jumper, no good. Jersey number 8, Sergiano. Pass to Fajardo, jersey number 12. Exactly 1 minute to play. Jersey number 4 for the victory. No good. Long rebound para jersey number 16. Bounce pass to Ortiz. Jersey number 3 against Bahardon. Good that body. Intercept from behind. Out of bounds. Babalik ang bola sa Barangay Tabi. 39.3 seconds to play. Jersey number 4, Bahardon. Jersey number 3. Mr. Diana, crossover move, 15 on the shot clock. Looking for it twice, 12 on the shot clock. Jersey number 24. Spin move, lace it up, it's good. Nice penalty para jersey number 24 score.
Deadlock.
All
57.
26 seconds to play. 6 seconds to the right shot between the king flag and the shot clock. Corner pass to Mercado. To Balmar for the victory. Bam!
3-point lead by
16
Tuktukan.
seconds to play. Shot goes off. Jersey number 24. Deflected. Jersey number 11 out of bounds. Same ball. Heading.
Sino yun? Si Kurt ba yun? Utoy? Hindi, sino yun? Si Kurt.
Warning for technical. Coach ng Barangay Tuktukan. Technical coach ng Barangay Tuktukan. Continuous complaining. Technical free throw para jersey number 12, Mr. Fajardo. .7 seconds to play. Shot clock is up. Basa na lang. Jersey number 4, Basa, Basa and Tuas. 10 seconds to play. Jersey number 12 for 3. Air ball on jersey number 8. 5 seconds to play. Basa na lang. Basa Sigwal. 1 seconds to play. Mercado to make the buzzer. No good. And that's the third quarter score 60-58. Ating para sa Barangay Tuktukan. The score is 60-58. The 2-point lead para sa Barangay Tuktukan.
Go, Johan.
There's a number 12, Fajardo. Moving point on the man, pass to Tuas. There's a number 24, Tunal Pasa, 15 on the shot clock. There's a number 4 for the victory. No good. There's a number 16, Sigua. Sitting on the play, pass to Cruz. Against their pass, 15 on the shot clock. Mid pass to Ortiz. As they move, 12 on the shot clock. Corner pass to Luena. 10-second shot clock. He's a pass to Mercado. Lays it up. It's good.
58-62.
Pass to Ryan Bernabe.
Oh.
No, but there's a whistle. Foul from the jersey number 3 Ortiz. That is second foul. First team foul. Substitution. 2 free throws para jersey number 27, Mr. Bernabe. Second shot, good. Good rebound para Mr. Mercado. Pass to Luena, jersey number 8. There's the number 8, Zeke on the play, pass to Trinidad. 10 on the shot clock, pass to Luena, jersey number 3, Ortiz. Corner pass to Luena, hesitate move to jersey number 3, lays it up, good. Still good, Paris Mercado. Number jersey number 6, 8 on the shot clock. Jersey number 6, Trinidad, penetrate, moving on with jersey number 12. 4-second shot clock, 4 seconds to shoot. Kick up pass to Luena, 2 on the shot clock, inside pass to the Trinidad, it's good.
59-64.
8 minutes and 36 seconds to play.
5-point lead. May tugtukan.
Pass to Plaza, 12 on the shot clock against Cruz. There's number 4. Pass to Fajardo, step up number 3, no good. 2 on the shot clock, there's the number 12, makes it 5. 24-second shot clock violation. There's number 8, Luena, he's down. Looking for the open man, pass to Cruz, 14 on the shot clock. Back to Luena, to the jersey number 6, 8 on the shot clock, jersey number 6, penetrate. He got pass to Ortiz, hesitate move, 3 on the shot clock, to Mercado with Ortiz. But there's a whistle. Foul coming to jersey number 4, Narbasa. That is second foul, first team foul. 2 free throws by jersey number 3, Mr. Ortiz. Jersey number 24, Plus. Against jersey number 6, pass to Narbasa, jersey number 4, 12 on the shot clock against Luena. He's a pass to Benabe, 4 shot, no good. Jersey number 8, pass to Cruz, 14 on the shot clock, mid pass to Mercado, jersey number 7. Penetrate, lays it up, no good, but there's a whistle. Foul with jersey number 8. That is second foul. Second team foul. Subdivision.
Charge pa.
Let's get 2 for 2. Subdivision.
Saksak niya po ito, no? Para, no? Mas mabilis. Mas mabilis to, eh, mag-charge. So. Yan, mas mabilis yan. Sige. Sige, connect nyo lang dyan.
Pass on it was. Intercept. Jersey number 8. Exactly 7 minutes to play. Para sa ating fourth quarter. Jersey number 6. Trinidad, 12 on the shot clock against Benabe. Pass to Ortiz, 8 on the shot clock. There's number 3. It's a pass to Mercado, 4 on the shot clock. Kick out pass. There's number 3 to Luena, 1 on the shot clock. 24-second shot clock violation. Subdivision. There's number 24, it was against Trinidad. IB Kabibiga and Mr. Bernabe, 14 on the shot clock. 10-second shot clock. There's number 4, Narbasa. Pass to Adriano. 6-second shot clock, corner 3. No good. Out of bounds, barangay tugtugan ball. 6 minutes and 19 seconds to play. Jersey number 8, leads it down, pass to Cruz, mid pass to Leoncio, kick out pass to Trinidad. 10 on the shot clock. Jersey number 6, a crossover move. The intercept, jersey number 27, Mr. Bernabe. Ready for his teammate, pass to the twice for 3. Bam! Score 67-62. A 5-1 lead comes for the game of 2 on jersey number 8, Luena. Pass to Cruz, 15 on the shot clock. Against Bernabe, using that beat to jersey number 15, Leoncio. 8-second shot clock. Out of bounds, babalik ang bola sa Bernabe, substitution. 5 minutes and 30 seconds to play. Jersey number 11, Aguinaldo has to take move, basement drive, drop pass to Adriano, turn up shot, no good. Jersey number 8, Luena, against Aguinaldo, 15 on the shot clock. Jersey number 8, penetrate, it's a pass to Leoncio, to Mercado, jersey number 7, corner pass. It's a 3 seconds violation. Jersey number 24, requires big move, lefty shot, no good. Yeah, it's on the range, Aguinaldo for the whip three. Timeout, Barangay Tugtugan. Time remaining 4 minutes and 53 seconds to play para sa ating fourth and final quarters. 2-point lead para sa Barangay Tugtugan.
67-65.
Jersey number 8, Mr. Luena is down, pass to Cruz, jersey number 9, bounce pass to Ortiz, jersey number 3, back to Luena, 14 on the shot off, pass to Cruz, corner 3, no good. Able in jersey number 3, Adriano, looking for the up and down, pass to the twice, jersey number 24. Jersey number 24, give a pass, Adriano for 3, wins the game, no good. Jersey number 24, good shot, score all 67.
Let's go. Nice.
Jersey number 6, Trinidad, against Aguinaldo. Using that big Mr. Ortiz, almost moving the ball to Luena, jersey number 8. 8-second shot clock, pass to Cruz. Intercept from the line, jersey number 11, Aguinaldo raise it up for good. Ferdinand does it this time.
Oh! Woo!
James Fillmore, 69-67.
Nice one. Woo!
3 minutes and 45 seconds to play. Jersey number 6, Trinidad, pass to Ortiz. 12 on the shot, jersey number 3, hesitate ball, pass pass to Cruz, up and under, no good. Here, jersey number 7, out of bounds, same ball.
Nice one.
13-second shot clock, 13 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes and 33 seconds to play. Para sa ating fourth and final quarter. Jersey number 8, Luena, kick out pass, Trinidad. Hesitate move, step up, jumper race, no good.
Deadlock at 69 tayo.
Score all 69. Jersey number 11, Aguinaldo. 7 on the glass, almost missing the clock. But jersey number 6, Trinidad, has to move. And there's a foul, going to be jersey number 27. Jersey number 27, that is third foul, 13th foul. Time remaining 3 minutes and 11 seconds to play. There's a number 9, the side of rebound, pass to the winner, there's number 8. And there's a foul, there's a number 11. That is first foul, warning for penalty. number 12, stop at number 3. Look good. 2 minutes and 55 seconds to play, under 3 minutes to play. Jersey number 8, stepping on the gas. Kick up fast, Ortiz for 3.
69-72. 3-point lead by Tuktukan.
Jersey number 24 plus. Against Trinidad, jersey number 6, 14 on the shot clock. A crossover move, 10-second shot clock. Pass on Ginaldo, 6-second shot clock. Jersey number 11, from deep. No good, jersey number 27 for the basket. 2 minutes and 19 seconds to play.
71-72. 1-point lead by Tuktukan.
Jersey number 6, Trinidad, against with one. Jersey the big Ortiz, pass jersey number 3 for the 1-3. No good, jersey number 7 for the basket. Yes, 4 minutes.
74-71.
Jersey number 24 plus. He on the shot, pass over, one pass on it now for the 1-3. No good. And one down by jersey number 11, 1 minute and 46 seconds to play. Timeout, Barangay Cavite. Jersey number 8, Mr. Luena is down, it's dribbling. Pass to Trinidad, jersey number 6, 14 on the shot clock against Aguinaldo, high pick, a big guy, Mr. Lee, jersey number 6, penetrate, let's it up. Let's go for 2. 1 minute and 30 seconds to play, score 76-71. Jersey number 24 plus. For 3. No good. Jersey number 6, 1 minute and 15 seconds to play. Keen on the shot clock. Jersey number 6, Trinidad. 10-second shot. Scoop layup. Let's go. Exactly 1 minute to play. Jersey number 24 plus. Pass to Fajardo. Logging out jersey number 11 for the win 3. In and out. Score 78-71. 7-point lead, jersey number 8. 43 seconds to play. Pass to Trinidad, jersey number 6. 15 on the shot clock. Pass to Ortiz. Pass to Luena for 3. No good. 33 seconds to play. Jersey number 11 from deep. No good. 28 seconds to play. There's a foul. Jersey number 27. There's a number 27. Warning. Or penalty. Timeout. Barangay Tuktukan. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 26.9 seconds to play. Para sa ating fourth and final quarter. Score 78-71. 2 free throws para jersey number 8, Mr. Luena. One of the 2 para jersey number 8. 26 seconds to play. 3 seconds differential between the game back and the shot clock. Jersey number 24, it was for the win 3. No good. Jersey number 27. Pass to Fajardo, top of the feed. No good, but there's a whistle. 3 free throws para jersey number 12, Mr. Fajardo.
last 10.
Jersey number 3, warning for foul down, penalty.
Ano yan?
Time remaining 15
Kunin nyo na.
seconds to play.
Kayo na yan. Kayo na yan. Yari na yan. Nag-work ka kanina?
Jersey number 6, Mr. Trinidad.
Kaya nga. Grabe yung trabaho niya. Ilang oras? Ilang oras trabaho niya?
Time remaining 15 seconds to play.
Grabe, overtime na yun? Oo.
12 seconds to play.
Bukas may pasok ka?
Bouncing ball.
Tulog.
Pass on Adriano. Jersey number 27, again. 3 seconds to play.
May battle for third.
Advancing na sa finals.
Ha? Oo. Wala kasi pahar. Ito, tol ko. Kumusta? Okay naman, vlogger pa rin. Yan, portrait mo nasa akin pa. Yun o. Christian Santos. Christian. Ayun no.